This is our cooking robot. We'll give you a quick demo of how it's going to work and how we're going to interact with AI voice assistant here. Here we have ingredient containers where you'll load the ingredients, and here you have cooking pot and stir that stirs the food. So let's start. Let's talk with AI. Hello there.
Hi, how are you feeling today? What kind of meal are you in the mood for?
I wanna eat something spicy.
Spicy, you say? How about a delicious pot of spicy chicken curry or a fiery shakshuka? Both are packed with flavor and can be made with just...
I love the spicy chicken curry you said. Let's do that.
Fantastic choice! Please get the chicken, spices, coconut milk, and any veggies you'd like to add from the fridge.
All right.
Once you've got everything, place them in the ingredient containers.
You can take out each bowl and place the ingredients there. We have already put all the ingredients here. So we're gonna pour the oil from outside because our mechanism is not here yet for simplicity. So we're gonna pour some oil. This is a little bit more, but yeah, that's fine. And this is our UI to control all these motors and all the sensors here. We have camera to identify the ingredients, and here we have thermal camera that will be taking showing the temperature here and then taking pictures every 20 seconds. So it'll rotate. Okay. Okay, that's the onions right there. Back, and then that's a little bit slow, but we'll fix that later. Now let's get to the cooking pot here. So we'll have to keep rotating this until the onions are brown and nicely done. Or chicken. Okay, that was good. Going to go all the way over there, and then it's almost there. So as you can see, oh yeah, it's time to pour tomato. Okay. All. So we're gonna stir for a while until the tomato is turned into gravy. As you can see here right now, it's stirring the chicken pretty good, and the chicken is almost ready. Cooked by a robot. This tastes like future. Wow.